So what do we do when we're triggered by experiences of domination, coercion? There are strategies to help reclaim our power, help regulate our emotions, and actually re-establish a sense of safety within our own body and our own energy field and our own space. So I'm going on today live at 5 o'clock on Instagram to just share with you some snippets that I've used throughout my life. Different sorts of grounding techniques, some breath work, some body awareness to keep you in your body, not to disassociate, some emotional regulation and self-validation. Actually, what you're feeling is real, is true for you. And what you can do with that, how you can express it and get it out of your body, out of your emotional field, so it doesn't eat away at you. And also, what about our boundaries? How can we reinforce our boundaries and our feelings and sense of protection? So there's many different ways of that. Self-affirmations, energetic shielding, removing yourself from particular situations. I don't know about you, I hardly slept last night. My nervous system went through the timeline of my life, this life. And once I'd done that timeline, looking at all the power over ghosting, manipulation, betrayal, I then started going through past lives. So it was a really exhausting night last night, and I'm sure many of you felt the same. So this morning I've done my practices, I've done my breath work, cold water, splash your face with cold water showers. My shower's not working at the moment. The house has energetically decided to throw a few things at us this week. So allow your body to go through these stress cycles. Take a few deep breaths. Is the obvious one. Stretching, toning, voicing it out. And then once you can move through that, you can start reclaiming your power, your inner child healing, and your own adult agency. There's rituals to do, all sorts of things we can do to this. You can just go and have a cup of coffee or tea with a friend. Talk to a safe person who you love and trust. That is just a really simple thing you can do. And try and remember to shift your perspective. Remember that we're made for these times. We're going to move through them. We're no longer in the same situation personally where we might have been triggered to. I'm going to give you tools and choices now to reframe whatever you've gone through. So, for example, instead of I'm powerless, try to say I'm learning how to reclaim my power. I am learning how to reclaim my power. And whichever deity, God, goddess you work with, invoke them. So for me, it's Sophia. Sophia, the goddess, came to me as goddess of truth, goddess of wisdom, inner wisdom, gnosis, and a knowing that we all have. So connect to something greater than your own self. Could be Gaia, Mother Earth, feel supported by her. So you can create your own invocations, your own connection, your own way of being to see you through these times. And we will get through these times together. So I'm going live at 5 p.m. today, UK time, on Instagram, Sanctuary Sophia. Join me and hopefully we can help each other. Blessed be.